Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a channel where we cook delicious and flavorful foods. And today I'm going to show you how to make Kienyeji chicken. Nimetabia kidogo. I'm in Muranga, and here we are enjoying. And today I'm going to show you how to cook Kienyeji chicken. My Kienyeji chicken is here already cut. My chicken is still boiling. I want to check whether it's ready or not. Almost. Let's give it like 15 minutes, and then I'll be back in a while. Pick this one. Taste.
Very yummy.